Hey food lovers, welcome back to another episode of Cheryl's Kitchen. And today in my kitchen, I'm going to share with you how I make my Jamaican authentic cornmeal pudding. Yes, you heard me right. So if you like my video, you know what to do already. Give me a big thumbs up, turn on your post notifications so you won't miss out on any one of my videos. And please remember to leave a comment as well, like and share. So let's start baking. So let's talk about ingredients. We have some cornmeal. Over here we have some nutmeg, cinnamon, allspice, and salt. We also have flour, raisins, butter, some vanilla extract, brown sugar, and we are also using some coconut milk, and I'll leave the exact measurement in the description box, okay? Now guys, my stove is on low heat and I'm now going in with about 2 cups of coconut milk. This is some freshly squeezed coconut milk, but if you have the coconut powder or the cream, it's just as fine. Here I'm also going in with my vanilla extract, which is about 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and I'm adding in now 2 tablespoons of butter. Okay, now I'm going in with about 3 cups of refined cornmeal. It's better when you use refined cornmeal when making your cornmeal pudding, okay? And we're gonna sift it just to make sure it doesn't come out lumpy. Guys, I'm now going in with about a cup of all-purpose flour, and this will just help to hold the caramel pudding together, okay? Now I'm going in with my allspice, cinnamon, nutmeg, and a pinch of salt. And this is about a teaspoon each of my allspices and just a pinch. Now I'm going in with about a cup and a half of brown sugar, but you can always add more sugar to it, but I don't really want it to be that sweet. All right. Guys, this is a very important step. I'm gonna go ahead and add some water to my dry mixture because I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna pour it into my liquids. And if I pour it dry, it's gonna be lumpy and I don't want any lumps in it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pour it in very slow while constantly stirring it. Okay? So please remember to stir constantly to avoid the lumps from forming, all right? Guys, now my batter is ready, and I've went ahead and I've greased my baking pan, and I'm just dumping it in now. All right. Now, guys, for the final touch, I'm just adding in a few raisins, and I think I'm gonna use about 2 tablespoons of raisins. But raisins are optional, you don't have to use, but this is how I'm doing it, okay? Guys, now it's time for me to put this beautiful creation in the oven, and I'm gonna go ahead and bake it for about 1 hour. And you know, when it's ready, when you put a knife in the middle of it and the knife comes up clean, you're good to go. Guys, now it's time to make the custard or the soft top. And here I'm using some coconut milk, and this is about 2 teaspoons of brown sugar, and I'm also going to use some vanilla extract. So we're going to go ahead and combine everything along with a little bit of margarine as well. Guys, now it's been about 40 minutes, and I just checked on my pudding and it's looking so fabulous. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start pouring my custard. You know, when your pudding have this nice wet look, that's how you know your pudding sell off. So I'm just gonna pour it all over the top and pop it back for another 20 minutes just for this mixture to caramelize and give the pudding that nice rich brown in color and that wet beautiful jelly looking thing on the top of it. Okay, guys, this is how it's looking. I just took it out of the oven and I'm just gonna let it sit for a while and cool, and I'll come back to show you the finished product. Okay, guys, look at this beautiful creation. Oh my god, I just wish you could have been here just to taste it. Oh my god. Let me just show you. Let me just take a slice out just to show you how it's looking. It is so moist. It is so beautiful. Look at the jelly on top. Isn't this amazing, guys? You know what to do already. Give this video a big thumbs up, okay? Please remember to like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting on? Until next time, bye bye, take care, be safe. Thank you.